guys, today I'm telling you how to clean your chain and lube it. This you can get for 40 rupees diesel, and you need this toothbrush, and this is tire roller. I didn't buy that double standoff for this bike, but I bought this one. But it's difficult with this though. It's better to use that double standoff. And we have this kit. I don't know what they call this one though. I got it from Flipkart. And for the chain loop, I'm gonna use this one, Moto Max chain loop. But now to my chain is totally dry, as you can see properly. It's like very dry, very dry. It's like making sound, so I will clean it. Let's keep this guy on its place. Keep watching, okay guys. Anyway. And as for these two, I'm gonna do with this one. It will be 8 mm. If you can see, it's written here 8 mm, and this with this one. So let's do it. What can I do other than Oh, guys, see, it's very clean. No more dirt. Very clean. See. सब कुछ हो गया। इधर ये भी देखो, ये भी देखो, इधर देखा लूप भी कर लिया।